Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lecture. Today we will explore one of the fundamental concepts in trading, the limit order. Understanding limit orders is critical for anyone looking to participate in the financial markets with control and strategy. By the end of this lecture, you will know what a limit order is, how it works, and its advantages and disadvantages. A limit order is an instruction given to your broker to buy or sell a security at a specific price or better. A buy limit order executes only at the limit price or lower. A sell limit order executes only at the limit price or higher. In other words, a limit order guarantees the price, but does not guarantee that the trade will actually be executed. This is what differentiates it from a market order, which guarantees execution but not price. There are several important features to understand about limit orders. First, price control. Limit orders give you control over the price you pay or receive. You will never pay more than your set price for a buy order, and you will never sell for less than your set price for a sell order. Second, uncertainty of execution. Because the market might never reach your limit price, there is no guarantee that your order will be filled. Third, patience required. Limit orders are often used by traders who are willing to wait for a better price rather than executing immediately. Fourth, good till terms. Many brokers allow you to specify how long your order stays active. For example, good till canceled, which remains open until you cancel it, or day order, which expires at the end of the trading day. Let's walk through two examples to make this concrete. Suppose Microsoft stock is trading at $300. You would like to buy shares, but only if the price drops to a more attractive level. You place a buy limit order at $295. If the price of Microsoft drops to $295 or lower, your order will execute. If it never drops that far, your order will remain open and unfilled. Now imagine you own shares of Amazon currently trading at $130. You want to sell, but only if the price goes up. You place a sell limit order at $135. If Amazon reaches $135 or higher, your shares are sold. Otherwise, the order stays open. There are several advantages to using limit orders. Control over price. You have full control over the execution price. Useful in volatile markets. Limit orders help you avoid overpaying or underselling during sharp price swings. Strategic trading. They allow you to set entry points for buying and target prices for selling, aligning with your trading strategy. Of course, there are also disadvantages to keep in mind. No execution guarantee. If the market never reaches your limit price, your order will not be filled. Partial fills. Sometimes only part of your order can be matched at your limit price. You might get only some of the shares you wanted. Missed opportunities. If the market quickly moves past your limit price, you might miss out on participating in the price action. In summary, a limit order is a powerful tool for traders and investors who want to control the price at which they buy or sell. It is particularly useful for those with a clear strategy and patience to wait for their desired price levels. However, it does come with the trade-off of not guaranteeing execution. This concludes our discussion about limit orders. See you at the next lecture.